Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SEO basics for real estate investing on Google step by step clearly. Start by conducting keyword research. Identify relevant keywords related to real estate investing. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. Look for terms that have a good search volume but low competition. Next, optimize your website with these keywords. Incorporate the main keywords into your website's title tags. Make sure to include keywords in your meta descriptions as well. Use your keywords naturally in your content. Create engaging and informative articles related to real estate investing. Ensure that your images have descriptive alt text. Now, set up a Google My Business account. Claim your business and fill in all the required information. Add photos and accurate business details to enhance your profile. Encourage clients to leave reviews on your Google My Business. Focus on local SEO by targeting specific neighborhoods or cities. Add location-specific keywords to your content. Create localized landing pages if you focus on multiple areas. Next, build quality backlinks to your site. Reach out to local businesses or blogs for guest posting opportunities. Participate in real estate forums and include links back to your site. Consider creating shareable content like infographics. Use social media to promote your content and drive traffic. Share your articles on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Identify relevant groups and communities to engage with. Monitor your website's performance using Google Analytics. Track your organic traffic and keyword rankings. Make adjustments based on your analytics data to improve results. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.